हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी। वेलकम टू द चैनल। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट वीडियो इन द सीरीज ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स सिनॉप्सिस। नाउ आपको जैसे कि पता होगा, इस करंट अफेयर्स सिनॉप्सिस सीरीज में वी आर गोइंग टू कवर अराउंड 1700 प्लस एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस, करंट अफेयर्स के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द पास्ट 1 ईयर। नाउ द मंथ जिसके हम करंट अफेयर्स कवर करने वाले हैं इज फ्रॉम अक्टूबर 2025 से लेके नवंबर 2024 तक के करंट अफेयर्स को वी आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट। नाउ अक्टूबर मंथ का एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 90 वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश। दो वीडियोस हमारी ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द थर्ड वीडियो। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। Now, consider the following statement regarding India's participation in international military exercises in the year 2025. Now, India participated in Bright Star 2025 held in Egypt. Yuddh Abhyas 2025 was conducted jointly with the US Army in Alaska. The third statement is the Indian Navy launched INS Vikrant and INS Virat under Project 17A. हमें बताना है which of the statement here are true. Now, कहने को तो सिर्फ ये एक क्वेश्चन है, बट यहाँ से आपके 6+ करंट अफेयर कवर हो जाएंगे। लेट अस सी कैसे। सबसे पहला तो द ब्राइट स्टार एक्सरसाइज, ये इजिप्ट में कंडक्ट हुई थी। इट वाज हेल्ड इन इजिप्ट एंड इंडिया पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दिस, सो एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट है फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट। युद्ध अभ्यास इज अ मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज विच इज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड द यूएस आर्मी एंड 2025 edition was conducted in Alaska, so this one is also true. Next is the Indian Navy launched INS Vikrant and INS Virat under Project 17A. Now, Project 17A is a program of the Indian Navy. Now, it aims to include and build 7 advanced stealth frigates. Stealth frigates से related है ये। तो विक्रांत, जैसे कि we know that INS Vikrant was India's warship. It was not a stealth frigate. तो यहाँ से भी अगर if you know about Project 17A एंड विक्रांत के बारे में आपको पता होगा, तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को, इस ऑप्शन को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं। सो द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग। फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड आर करेक्ट। अगर मैं बात करूं प्रोजेक्ट 17A की, जिसके अंदर 7 स्टेल्थ फ्रिगेट को इंक्लूड किया जाने वाला है, अगस्त मंथ में INS उदयगिरी एंड INS हिमगिरी, दीज टू वे आर एडेड अंडर प्रोजेक्ट ए, नॉट INS विक्रांत। ठीक है। Next is consider the following statement about the recent appointments in August 2025. Rajiv Anand became the MD and CEO of IndusInd Bank. Dr. Rajiv Ranjan was appointed as the Vice President and Chief Risk Officer of NDB, that is the New Development Bank. अब ये जो New Development Bank है, this is also known as the BRICS Development Bank. ठीक है, BRICS Development Bank भी बोला जाता है इसको, and it was formed in the year 2014 under the Fort Zella Declaration. फोर्ट जेला डिक्लेरेशन के अंडर ये स्टैब्लिश हुआ था न्यू डेवलपमेंट बैंक। सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट इज एन इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड यहाँ पे इंडियन को अपॉइंट किया है, दैट इज वाई इट बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट। नाउ एस कृष्णन वॉज अपॉइंटेड एज द एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ IMF। सो यहाँ पे हमारा थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट एंड सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट बिकॉज यहाँ पे उर्जित पटेल को अपॉइंट किया गया है एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ IMF। दिस इज अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज उर्जित पटेल हैज ऑल्सो बीन द RBI गवर्नर। तो यहाँ पे 2 पोस्ट आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, 2 अपॉइंटमेंट्स यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखनी है। फर्स्ट इज डॉक्टर राजीव रंजन इज द न्यू चीफ रिस्क ऑफिसर ऑफ द न्यू डेवलपमेंट बैंक एंड Urjit Patel is appointed as the executive director of IMF. So यहाँ पे only the first and second statement is true. Next question है, consider the following statement about India's achievement in sports in August 2025. Mirabai Chanu won gold in the 48 kg category at the Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship. Next is India won 99 medals at the 16th Asian Shooting Championship in Kazakhstan. यहाँ पे द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज कि 16th एशियन शूटिंग चैंपियनशिप ये कजाकिस्तान में हुई थी। इस तरीके से आप इस PDF को पढ़ना। रविचंद्रन अश्विन रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ क्रिकेट। नाउ ये जो थर्ड स्टेटमेंट है, दिस इज रॉन्ग। टेक्निकली यस, ही इज रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम एवरी फॉर्म, IPL से भी रिटायर्ड है, बट ही इज गोइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द लीग क्रिकेट्स। ठीक है, दैट इज वाई टेक्निकली ये इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है। Although he has retired from cricket, but इस साल BBL is a league which is of Australia. He is going to participate in that. So in that context, he has not retired from all format. Okay, इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट से रिटायरमेंट हो चुकी है, दिस यू नीड टू नो. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इनिशिएटिव launched in the month of August. Arohan was launched by the NHAI, National Highway Authorities of India, for children of toll plaza workers. Important यहाँ पे इनिशिएटिव है, ये ध्यान में रखना आप. मुख्यमंत्री महिला रोजगार योजना was launched by Bihar. Very very important for the upcoming examination related to Bihar. May be AEDO का examination, कोई भी एग्जाम हो बिहार से रिलेटेड, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन संतुष्ट मोइना स्कीम योजना वॉज लॉन्च्ड बाय असम टू प्रिवेंट द चाइल्ड मैरिज. सो यहाँ पे तीनों स्टेटमेंट जो दिए हैं हमारे, ऑल द स्टेटमेंट गिवन हियर इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. सो डी इज द राइट आंसर. द स्कीम्स एंड द इनिशिएटिव्स आर वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. एक बार इनको आप अच्छे से रिवाइज करना. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इंटरनेशनल विजिट्स एंड समिट. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन इज PM Modi visited Japan and China from August 29 to September 1st, 2025. Yes, this is true. And because he visited China for the SCO summit, which happened in Taijin. ठीक है. 25th SCO summit was held in Tianjin, China. Next is Sitveni Rabaku, PM of Fiji, visited India in September 2025. So the third statement is incorrect because इन्होंने अगस्त मंथ में विजिट किया था. Now the month is not important here. The point here is आपको पता होना चाहिए PM ऑफ फिजी कौन से हैं. ये मैच द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट वाले में ये क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ सकते हैं. तो सितवेनी रबुका इज द PM ऑफ फिजी. दिस इज द पॉइंट दैट यू नीड टू नो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट हमारा यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. इन्होंने विजिट किया था अगस्त में. ठीक है. SCO समिट इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, विच वॉज हेल्ड इन Tianjin, China. Next is consider the following statement about the technology and infrastructural developments. India's first semiconductor assembly and testing facility was launched in Sanand, Gujarat. Very very important है current affairs. Now DigiPin was implemented by India Post in partnership with MapMyIndia. This is also a very very important initiative. Exam में आ सकता है. Next is e-Vitara is India's first hydrogen powered vehicle. Very very important for the one day examination. May it be CHSL, ठीक है, मे इट बी बिहार SI. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये भी क्वेश्चन कि यहाँ पे कंपनी आपसे पूछ सकते हैं कि कौन सी कंपनी जो है हैज लॉन्च द फर्स्ट हाइड्रोजन पावर्ड व्हीकल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट बिकॉज ई-विटारा जो है दिस इज अ बैटरी इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल. मतलब कि इसमें बैटरीज भी हैं एंड देयर इज अ प्रॉपर कंबशन इंजन, नॉट द हाइड्रोजन पावर्ड. ठीक है. फर्स्ट हाइड्रोजन पावर्ड व्हीकल इज लॉन्च्ड बाय Hyundai. सो ये आप ध्यान में रखना. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द कल्चरल एंड द स्पिरिचुअल इवेंट्स. द हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल नुआखाई वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड इन ओडिशा. द स्पिरिचुअल टूरिज्म कॉन्फ्रेंस रोमांटिक वॉज हेल्ड इन उज्जैन. And Onam was celebrated in Tamil Nadu from August 26 to September 5. Now those statement हमारे जो दिए हैं, these are absolutely correct. That Nukhai is a festival of Odisha and Romantic is a spiritual tourism conference held in Ujjain. Onam की जहाँ तक बात करें, so this Onam is celebrated in Kerala, not Tamil Nadu. That is why हमारा only the first and second statement here is correct. Next देखते हैं. Again ये statement based question है हमारा. Consider the following statement about the awards and recognition in August 2025. Now, the Educate Girls won the Raman Magsaysay Award in 2025. Absolutely correct statement है. ये Educate Girl है. This is an NGO of India only. So that is why this becomes important. Next is Vera Voronova and Isabel Calderon won the Midori Prize for Biodiversity. This is also important. एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं because it is related to biodiversity. So this is correct. Urjit Patel was appointed as India's High Commissioner to Canada. So third statement हमारा incorrect है because अभी हमने देखा था Urjit Patel was appointed as the Executive Director of IMF, not the High Commissioner to Canada. ठीक है. India's जो क्या कहते हैं इंडियाज हाई कमिश्नर टू कनाडा इज दिनेश के पटनायक. ये नाम भी आप ध्यान में रख सकते हैं. वन एंड फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ऑप्शन ही हमारा यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. थर्ड वन इज नॉट करेक्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Consider the following statement about the national observance in August 2025. First one is National Sports Day was celebrated with the theme sports to promote a peaceful and inclusive society. This is about the National Sports Day. Second is World Lake Day was observed on August 27 and the National Small Industry Day was celebrated on August 30th. So ये तीन इंपॉर्टेंट डेज हैं, आप ध्यान में रख सकते हैं. करेक्ट आंसर हमारा ऑल ऑफ दीज है. ओके, सारे स्टेटमेंट हमारे यहाँ पे करेक्ट हैं. सो ये डे और कौन सा डे है विथ इट्स प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन यू नीड टू नो. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इंडियाज एनर्जी एंड एफिशिएंसी रैंकिंग्स. फर्स्ट वन इज महाराष्ट्र टॉप द स्टेट एफिशिएंसी इंडेक्स ऑफ 2024. Second is Gujarat ranked second in the C 2021 report, that is the State Energy Efficiency Index. Third is this State Efficiency Energy Index is released by नीति आयोग. So इस प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन से आपका जो ये इंडेक्स है ये बहुत ही एफिशिएंटली कवर हो जाएगा. सो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट की मैं बात करूं तो ओनली द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट हियर इज ट्रू. महाराष्ट्र ने टॉप किया है. ओके, एंड जो ये रिपोर्ट है दिस इज रिलीज बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पावर. गुजरात का सेकेंड रैंक नहीं है. ठीक है, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. करेक्ट आंसर हमारा यहाँ पे सिर्फ ओनली डी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज विच क्रिकेट लेजेंड स्टैचू वॉज अनवील्ड एट वानखेड़े स्टेडियम ऑन August 23rd 2025. सो सुनील गावस्कर सर का यहाँ पे स्टैचू अनवील किया गया है एट द वानखेड़े स्टेडियम. Who did Northeast United Fan Club defeat to win the Durand Cup of 2025? Important question है. So Durand Cup यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर हमारा डायमंड हार्बर फैन क्लब है. ओके, Northeast United defeated the Diamond Harbour fan club to win the Durand Cup. Okay. Next is what day was celebrated on August 23, 2025? Very, very important. This is the National Space Day. Now this was on this day only साउथ पोल पे लैंडिंग किया था. मून के साउथ पोल पे चंद्रयान ने लैंड किया था. एंड दिस पॉइंट जहाँ पे लैंड किया था शिव शक्ति पॉइंट है. ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, so National Space Day is correct. Next is where did ISRO conduct the first integrated air drop test for the Gaganyaan on August 24, 2025? So ये first integrated air drop test was conducted as the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Who was appointed? The Deputy NSA of India, Anish Dayal Singh. This is an important appointment. Deputy NSA, National Security Advisor of India, is Anish Dayal Singh. Okay. Ajit Doval is the National Security Advisor. Next is which Indian batsman retired from all forms of cricket on August? This is Chiteshwar Pujara. Next is under whose chairmanship were committees formed to commemorate Patel, Birsa Munda and Vajpayee? ठीक है, so this committee was formed under Narendra Modi. Next is what is the name of Maruti Suzuki is India's first made BEV launched in Gujarat? अभी हमने देखा था, it was E Vitara. Who became the MD and CEO of IndusInd Bank on August 25, 2025? So this is Rajiv Anand. Next is which country's postal services were suspended by India on August? Important question है. इंडिया ने अपनी पोस्टल सर्विस जो है वो एंड कर दी है विद द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Who won gold in the 48 kg category at Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship of 2025? It is Mirabai Chanu. Which two warships were launched by the Indian Navy on August 26, 2025? So these जो warships हैं, these were inducted, these were made under the Project 17A of the Navy, and the name of these two warships is the INS Udayagiri and INS Himgiri. Now, which city will host the Chess World Cup 2025 as announced by FIDE? Very, very important question, and ये question exam में पूछा जाएगा 110%. ठीक है, it is going to be held in Panchi, Goa. Next is until which date was the PM Swanidhi loan period extended? So Swanidhi का loan period has been extended up to March 31st, 2030. Okay. Next is what does BioE3 stands for in the challenge launched by Jitendra Singh? He is the Minister of State. Okay, so BioE3, it stands for Biotechnology for Economy, Environment and Employment. Important क्वेश्चन है, फुल फॉर्म पूछ सकते हैं आपसे कि फुल फॉर्म क्या है, सो आपको ध्यान में रखना है. दिस इज बायोटेक्नोलॉजी फॉर इकोनॉमी, एनवायरनमेंट एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. Next is which city was approved to host the Commonwealth Games of 2030? This is Ahmedabad. Next है which country passed a law banning mobile phones in school classroom on August 27, 2025? This is an important question. कौन सी country ने यहाँ पे law निकाला है? So this is none other than South Korea. Where was India's first semiconductor assembly and testing facility launch? This is in Sanand, Gujarat. Important question है, ध्यान में रखना आप. Which Indian organization won the Raman Magsaysay Award of 2025? This is Educate Girls. What was the name of the India-US joint military exercise held in Alaska in September 2025? This is Yuddha Abhyas. Now, which public sector bank launched a 4 lakh collateral-free loan scheme for Agniveers on August 15, 2025? Now, this is an important question. अग्निवीर्स के लिए जो लोन यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है, दिस हैज बीन लॉन्च बाय द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. वेयर वाज द इंडियन नेशनल फ्लैग होइस्टेड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे 2025 एट अ फेमस अमेरिकन लैंडमार्क? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. करेक्ट आंसर है दिस वाज अनफ्लर्ड इन द स्पेस नीडल इन सियाटल. Next is to which country were apricots from Ladakh Kargil district exported for the first time? So the apricots from Ladakh were exported to Saudi Arabia. This will provide a boost to the agricultural region. What was the record duration of PM Modi's speech from the Red Fort on August 15, 2025? So total 103 minutes की ये speech थी. This is the longest Independence Day speech by PM Modi. Which iconic film 50th anniversary was commemorated by India Post? Important question है, पूछ सकते हैं one day examination में. Sholay is the correct answer. Next is who won the Quantbox Chennai Grandmaster 2025 title on August 15, 2025? So this has been won by Vincent Kiemer. Okay, now Vincent Kiemer is a German. इनका country of origin आप ध्यान में रखेंगे, ये आपसे पूछ सकते हैं. Okay. Next is which state's governor La Ganesan passed away on August 15? La Ganesan served as the governor of both Nagaland and Manipur. Important है, पूछ सकते हैं obituaries के section में, ध्यान में रखना आप. What was the theme for India's 79th Independence Day celebration? So the theme was Bharat at 2047, preparing for the centenary of the Indian independence. In which state was the state of art space lab inaugurated in Mechuka? So this is in Arunachal Pradesh. This is a pretty important question, आप ध्यान में रखेंगे इसको. Which film by Neeraj Ghewan won the best film and the best director at the IFFM 2025? So this is Homebound. Important है, awards and honors में पूछ सकते हैं. Which football club was declared the most valuable in the world on August 16th? This is Real Madrid. Next is who was nominated by NDA for the vice president? So this is CP Radhakrishnan. ठीक है, and he is now the 15th vice president of India. And he was also the governor of Maharashtra. ये क्वेश्चन सारे हमने कल डिस्कस किए थे. अगर आपने पहले वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो आप जरूर उस वीडियो को देखना. द लिंक आई विल प्रोवाइड द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वेयर डिड इंडियन रेलवेज लॉन्च इंडियाज फर्स्ट रिमूवेबल सोलर पैनल सिस्टम बिटवीन ट्रैक्स? दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, पर्टिकुलरली एनटीपीसी में भी पूछ सकते हैं इसको. सो दिस वॉज इनॉग्रेटेड इन द बनारस लोकोमोटिव वर्क्स, वाराणसी. Which state launched the Shram Shri Yojana for migrant workers? This was launched by the West Bengal. Important question है, Shram Shri Yojana. ठीक है, ध्यान में रखना आप. Where were the first ever World Humanoid Robot Games of 2025 held? This was held in Beijing. Next is How many Tejas Mark 1A jets were approved for the Indian Air Force? So 97 Tejas Mark 1A jets there are going to be inducted in the Air Force. Which city in Assam was chosen for establishing a new IIM? Important question hai. Guwahati is the correct answer. Next is, which constitutional amendment bill proposes automatic removal of minister facing serious criminal charges? This is an important question. Correct answer है 130th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट बिल. दो फैक्ट यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना, एक होता है बिल, एक होता है एक्ट. नाउ दिस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट बिल. The bill becomes an act only when this is given assent by the President of India. Okay. So ये अभी तक बिल है, 130th बिल है. जैसे ही ये अप्रूव होगा, it will become an act. Next is, which country was elected president of AIBD's executive board during its August 2025 conference? So it is India. Where did OpenAI announce the opening of first Indian office? So this is going to be opened in New Delhi. Now again we have the statement based question. So let us see. Now consider the following statement about India's 79th Independence Day. The Indian flag was hoisted at the Space Needle in Seattle. PM Modi's speech lasted 103 minutes. And India Post released the commemorative items for the film Mother India. Now यहाँ पे जितने भी क्वेश्चन दिए हैं, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कमोमरेटिव यहाँ पे जो लॉन्च किया गया है, दिस इज फॉर द फिल्म शोले, नॉट मदर इंडिया. कंसिडर अबाउट द स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द डिफेंस डेवलपमेंट इन अगस्त. इंडिया अप्रूव्ड 97 तेजस मार्क 1A जेट्स फॉर द एयरफोर्स. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. अग्नि 5 मिसाइल वॉज सक्सेसफुली टेस्ट फायर फ्रॉम चांदीपुर ओडिशा. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट है. India partnered with Russia for the manufacture jet engines for the fighter aircrafts. Now, India ने पैक्ट रशिया के साथ साइन नहीं किया था. दिस पैक्ट हैव बीन साइन विद द फ्रांस. सो द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. ठीक है. फ्रांस की साफरन के साथ में यहाँ पे इंडिया का पैक्ट है. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द इंटरनेशनल इवेंट एंड डिप्लोमेसी. Now the apricots from Kargil were exported to Saudi Arabia for the first time. Absolutely correct. Sergio Gore was appointed as the US ambassador to India. Absolutely correct. India was elected as the president of the AIBD executive board. Absolutely correct. यहाँ पे जितने भी स्टेटमेंट दिए हैं, सारे स्टेटमेंट हमारे absolutely correct हैं. Next है, consider the following about statement about the space and technology. ISRO has inaugurated a space lab in Mechuka, Arunachal Pradesh. India's first removable solar panel system was launched in Varanasi, and OpenAI announced its first Indian office in Bengaluru. Now the third statement is incorrect because हमने देखा था OpenAI has announced its first Indian office in New Delhi. Okay, so the third statement is not correct. यहाँ पे only the first and second statement is true. Consider the following statement about the cultural recognitions and awards. So, Neeraj Ghaiwan's film Homebound won the best film and the best director at the IFFM 2025. Jaswinder Balla won the National Film Awards for Best Comedian. And Manika Vishwakarma won the Miss Universe India 2025. Now, this is important. Now, Jaswinder Balla I have mentioned is because he is a comedian from Punjab who died recently and he is a well-known name. Okay, so ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. He was a comedian. Okay. हालांकि there is no National Film Awards for the best comedian. That is why second statement here is not relevant. Only the first and third is true. मनिका विश्वकर्मा मिस यूनिवर्स 2025, ये आपने ध्यान में रखना है. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स एंड द इनिशिएटिव्स. नाउ द फोर्टिफाइड राइस स्कीम अंडर द पीएम पोषण वाज एक्सटेंडेड टिल 2028. श्रम श्री योजना वाज लॉन्च बाय द वेस्ट बंगाल फॉर माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स. आदि कर्मयोगी अभियान वाज लॉन्च बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स. नाउ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट की मैं बात करूं, तो यहाँ पे सारे के सारे स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट हैं। पोषण अभियान आपको पता होना चाहिए, श्रम श्री योजना बाई वेस्ट बंगाल, अनादि कर्मयोगी अभियान बाई मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स। सारे स्टेटमेंट हमारे यहाँ पे एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट हैं। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द ग्लोबल स्पोर्ट्स एंड ग्लोबल रैंकिंग्स। रियल मैड्रिड was declared the most valuable football club. Second one is Zurich topped the IMD Global Smart City Index. And the third statement is India placed a bid to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games. So all of these statements here are absolutely correct. And ये तीनों statement बहुत important है आपके लिए. So आप ध्यान में रखना. All of the above is the correct answer to this question. Next is, now consider the following statement about the legislative and policy actions. The 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill proposes automatic removal of ministers with serious criminal charges. ये क्वेश्चन हमने अभी देखा था जब मैंने बिल एंड एक्ट के बारे में आपको बताया था. So the statement is correct. Now the Online Gaming Bill 2025 bans all form of online gaming. Third statement is PM Swanidhi scheme loan period was extended till 2030. इस क्वेश्चन की बात करें तो द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट बिकॉज ऑनलाइन गेमिंग बिल में all forms of games have not been banned. Only those games which involve money are banned. ठीक है. Second statement is not correct. Only the first and third statement is true. Next is, consider the following statement about the education and export. Now, EPIDA opened new regional offices in Patna, Raipur and Dehradun. Next is, a bill was passed to establish an IIM in Guwahati, and India exported apples from Himachal Pradesh to UAE for the first time. Okay. Now, जो ये एप्पल्स एक्सपोर्ट हुए हैं ये हिमाचल प्रदेश से नहीं उत्तराखंड से एक्सपोर्ट हुए हैं. सो दिस यू नीड टू नो. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट हमारा करेक्ट है. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू. Next is, consider the following statement about the special observance on in August 2025. The first one is World Humanitarian Day themed strengthening global solidarity and empowering local communities. This was the theme of the World Humanitarian Day. Second is World Senior Citizens Day focused on empowering the voices of the elderly for an inclusive future. Next is Sadbhavna Divas and Akshay Urja Divas was observed on August 21st. कौन से स्टेटमेंट हमारे करेक्ट है? सो यहाँ पे जितने भी स्टेटमेंट दिए हैं वो सारे करेक्ट हैं. थीम्स यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट हैं एंड द डे इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो ये सारे फैक्ट्स आप ध्यान में रखेंगे, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लेट्स नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. On August 7, 2025, who was honored with the first MS Swaminathan Food and Peace Award? Very, very important question. Correct answer की मैं बात करूँ, so Dr. Arinare has won the first MS Swaminathan Food and Peace Award. Okay. Now, ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. डॉक्टर अरिनारे hails from Nigeria. What was the total tariff imposed by US on India citing Russian oil purchases? तो 50% का टैरिफ इम्पोज किया गया था. 25% were the tariff पहले and 25% in a later stage secondary tariff were imposed on India. Next is, which small finance bank received RBI's in principle approval to become a universal bank on August 7, 2025? So this is the AU Small Finance Bank. Next is, what is the name of OpenAI's most advanced AI model launched on August 7? So this is the ChatGPT 5. Now, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. This ChatGPT is of OpenAI. Okay. Next is, which hepatitis virus was classified as carcinogenic by WHO? Now this carcinogenic means cancer causing. This is a cancer causing virus. So this becomes very, very important. So यहाँ पे recently अभी hepatitis D को declare किया था WHO ने as cancer causing. Okay. I hope ये clear हो गया होगा. Next देखते हैं. What was the theme of the National Handloom Day 2025? So the theme of National Handloom Day is handloom, empowerment of women, empowerment of the nation. C is right. Which state celebrated the Sustainable Agriculture Day on August 7, 2025? This question becomes important. So, Sustainable Agriculture Day was celebrated by Maharashtra. Now, what was the theme of the World's Breastfeeding Week 2025? So, this is prioritize breastfeeding, build sustainable support system. B is the correct answer. Until which date was the PM E-Drive Yojana extended? So the PM E-Drive Yojana, it is extended now till March 31st, 2028. Now, which two countries signed a peace deal over the Nagorno-Karabakh at the White House? Now, Nagorno-Karabakh is a disputed territory between the Armenia and Azerbaijan. Now, this deal was brokered by Donald Trump, ending decades of conflict. Okay. Next is, what is the name of Asia's longest freight train operated by Indian Railways on August 8? So the longest freight train is Rudrastra, and this is very much important. क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, NTPC के भी एग्जाम में आ सकता है, किसी भी एग्जाम में आ सकता है, because this was a 4.5 kilometer long train which was operated in the Eastern Central Railway Zone. What is the name of ICMR Student Outreach Program? Now ICMR के Student Outreach Program का नेम है यहाँ पे SHINE, which stands for Science Health Innovation for the Next Gen Explorers. Now, what scheme worth 4,200 crore was approved to enhance research in technical institution? This is the Merites scheme. Okay. Now, this Merites stands for Multidisciplinary Education and Research Reforms in Technical Education. Next is, who was appointed the Zomato's brand ambassador? Now, one day examinations में पूछ सकते हैं. Shah Rukh Khan was appointed as the brand ambassador. Who won the UNDP Equator Prize 2025 for biodiversity conservation? Now, this is Bibi Fatima. He is recognized for sustainable farming and biodiversity efforts. Where was India's first animal stem cell biobank opened? A very, very important question. India's first animal stem cell biobank was inaugurated in Hyderabad recently. Which NBFC crossed the 1 lakh crore turnover on August 9th? Important question है. 1 lakh crore का turnover अभी क्रॉस किया है. Kerala State Finance Enterprise. Okay. Next is, which country was declared free of sleeping sickness by WHO? This is Kenya, and this is an important question. Now, this sleeping sickness is also known as the trypanosomiasis. India's longest Vande Bharat train inaugurated on which route? So this is from Pune to Ajni. Next is, what scheme worth 1 lakh crore was launched on 15 August to create 3.4 crore jobs? So the name of the scheme is Pradhan Mantri Vikasashil Bharat Rozgar Yojana. Now again हमारे statement based question यहाँ से start है. Consider the following statements about the scientific and environmental developments. WHO classified as hepatitis D virus as carcinogenic. अभी हमने पढ़ा, रिवीजन हो गया यहाँ पे, absolutely correct है. India's first animal stem cell biobank was opened in Hyderabad. This is also absolutely correct. Now, SHREST is the name of India's new space observatory. Now, SHREST is a health index which has been launched by India. Okay? This is a health index. So, only the first and second statement is true. Next is, consider the following statement about the awards and recognitions. Bibi Fatima won the UNDP Equator Prize 2025 for biodiversity conservation. Dr. Arinare received the first MS Swaminathan Food and Peace Award. He is from Nigeria. ये भी हमने देखा था अभी. ठीक है. Next देखते हैं. शाहरुख खान was awarded the Padma Vibhushan. So यहाँ पे ये statement गलत है. शाहरुख खान important क्यों है? Because he was appointed as the brand ambassador of Zomato. So first and second statement हमारा यहाँ पे correct है. Next, consider the following statement about the international relation. Azerbaijan and Armenia signed a peace deal at White House. Australia and France formally recognized the state of Palestine, and Kenya was declared free of Ebola by WHO. Now, जब मैं इस क्वेश्चन की बात करता हूँ, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट हमारा एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट है. यहाँ पे जो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है हमारा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड फ्रांस ने रिसेंटली अभी स्टेट ऑफ पैलेस्टीन को रिकॉग्नाइज किया है. एंड तालिबान को किसने अभी रिकॉग्नाइज किया था? तालिबान को रिकॉग्नाइज किया था रशिया ने। ओके, नाउ केन्या वाज डिक्लेयर्ड फ्री नॉट ऑफ इबोला बट ऑफ स्लीपिंग सिकनेस। ओके, सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट ही हमारा करेक्ट होगा। पीडीएफ में आपको ये इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगा, आप पढ़ सकते हैं वहाँ पे। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इंडियाज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट। Indian Railway operated Asia's longest freight train named Rudrastra. Absolutely correct. Vande Bharat longest distance route was inaugurated between Pune and Ajni. Correct. And Sabasar is the name of India's new bullet train corridor. Now this is correct. Sabasar जो है, this is a tool of Gram Sabha proceedings. Okay. This is not a new bullet train corridor. Third statement हमारा incorrect है. Only the first and second statement is true. Now, consider the following statement about government schemes and initiative. The Merit scheme was launched to reform the technical education. PM Vikasashil Bharat Rozgar Yojana aims to create 3.5 crore jobs. Next is Disha Abhiyan was launched to promote women entrepreneurship. Correct statement की मैं बात करूं, only the first and second statement is true because this Disha Abhiyan, it focused on education for intellectually disabled students, not entrepreneurship. So ये हमारे डिसेबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है स्कीम। सो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ही यहाँ पे करेक्ट है। नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द कल्चरल एंड सोशल ऑब्जर्वेंस। गवारी महोत्सव 2025 began in Mewar, Rajasthan. World Sanskrit Day was celebrated on August 9, 2025 and World Elephant Day 2025 was themed Elephants for Economic Growth. Now, first and second statement correct है, third statement is not true because World Elephant Day का यहाँ पे theme था bringing the world together to help elephants. Okay, so first and second statement is true. Now consider the following statements about the education and reforms. So देखते हैं यहाँ पे statement हमारा। CBSE approved open book exams for class 9th from 26 to 27. Absolutely correct. Shine is a student outreach program launched by the ICMR. Absolutely correct. Now Shrest is a health index launched by the Ministry of Education. Now Shrest is a health index. Absolutely correct. But it was not launched by Ministry of Education, but it was launched by Ministry of Health. So यहाँ पे first and second correct है। Consider the following statement about the defense and strategic developments. India successfully test-fired Agni-5 missile from Chandipur. Mission Sudarshan Chakra was launched to secure the critical establishments, and Operation Sindoor was a humanitarian relief mission in Assam. So ये third statement हमारा गलत है because Operation Sindoor was against the terrorist launch pads and terrorist base camps which were there in the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, okay, and inside Pakistan also. So ये third statement हमारा incorrect है, first and second statement is true. Now consider the following statement about the economic and industrial development. The KSRF became the first multinational bank to cross the 1 lakh crore turnover. Absolutely correct. BEML receives its first foreign rail contract from Malaysia. Absolutely correct. And Foxconn began iPhone 17 production in Pune. तो जो ये Foxconn का plant है, this is located in Bangalore, not Pune. So first and second statement is true. Consider the following statement about the judicial and legislative actions. Now, Lok Sabha accepted impeachment against Justice Yashwant Verma. Correct. India's semiconductor mission approved 4 new projects, and 130th Amendment Bill proposes automatic disqualification of MPs with pending cases. हमारा third statement भी correct है। Sorry, जो 130th Amendment Bill है, it targets minister with serious criminal charges. Okay, not MPs broadly. Okay, सारे MPs पे नहीं, serious criminal charges के against हमारा 130th Amendment Bill. So only the first and second statement is true. Now, which state government announced the formation of State Safai Karamchari Commissions? Important question है. Correct answer is Bihar. Which British economist and member of the House of the Lords of the Indian origin died? So this is Lord Meghnad Desai. What is the global rank of Kaziranga Tiger Reserve in tiger density? काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क का यहाँ पे 3rd रैंक निकल के आया है। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान में रखेंगे आप। नेक्स्ट इज वेयर वॉज इंडियाज फर्स्ट मेक इन इंडिया ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन प्लांट कमीशनड इन जुलाई? So this was commissioned in Deen Dayal Port, Kandla. Next is which satellite did ISRO launch via GSLV F-16? So this was the NISAR satellite. Now NISAR satellite has been developed by NASA and ISRO. ठीक है. Next is Tata Motors announced the acquisition of which country's Iveco group? So Tata Motors Iveco group of Italy को यहाँ पे एक्विजिशन करने वाला है। Which railway station became the first private station in Uttar Pradesh and Northeast Railways? Important question है। This is the Gomti Nagar station of Lucknow. Next is on which section of Delhi Mumbai corridor was Kavach 4.0 deployed? So this Kavach was deployed in Mathura Kota route. This is very much important. Next is which sacred relics of Lord Buddha were brought back to India on 30th July? These were the Piparwal relics and this is an important question. बहुत important question है, एग्जाम में आ सकता है। Next देखते हैं। India sent 5 metric tons of life-saving medicines to which country? Important question है। So as a part of humanitarian assistance, सीरिया को ये जो medicines send की गई थी। Who became the first woman Director General of RPF? Very very important question. Correct answer हमारा सोनाली मिश्रा। Next is NHPC begin construction of 1856 megawatt hydropower project in Ramban, Jammu Kashmir. So this is in Sawalkot. Where did ISRO launch the Hope mission to stimulate astronaut life for Gaganyaan? ये launch किया गया था लद्दाख में। Next is who took over as the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh? So this is Shashi Prakash Goyal. Next is who became the new Commissioner of Delhi Police? So जो new Commissioner हैं Delhi Police के, this is Shashi Bhushan Kumar. Next is which Indian origin techie was appointed as CEO of Air New Zealand on July 31st? This is Nikhil Ravishankar. Next is who was appointed as a director of Reliance Industries? This is Anant Ambani. Next है हमारा which state made electricity up to 125 units free for domestic consumers? This is Bihar. Okay. Next है हमारा who became the new CEO and MD of Hindustan Unilever on August 1st? This is Priya Nair. Next is what was the name of the 32nd joint naval exercise held between India and Singapore in South China Sea? Very very important. ठीक है, the name of the exercise is Simbex 2025. So 199 क्वेश्चन तक हमने कर लिया। जो नेक्स्ट है 200 क्वेश्चन, यहाँ से लेके जो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन है वी विल डू इन दी सब्सिक्वेंट वीडियोस। अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है, डू गिव दिस वीडियो अ लाइक। ठीक है, चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, बट सब्सक्राइब करने से पहले आई वुड रिकमेंड यू कि एक बार आप प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन में जाके ज़रूर देखना। आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा एजुकेशनल कंटेंट यहाँ पे चैनल पे ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है। अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर सकते हैं आप। ठीक है, अपने वैल्यूएबल सजेशंस आप कमेंट सेक्शन में दे सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, कीप स्टडिंग।